My name is Diana Carolina Rodriguez. Have you ever? Questions. Have you ever been to Machu Picchu? Have you ever played guitar? Have you taken more than a thousand pictures in one day? Have you ever met a famous star? Have you ever practiced exercise at the beach? Have you ever skied? Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever tasted tequila? Have you ever driven a car? Have you ever seen the Harry Potter movie? Have you ever taken money from the street? Have you ever studied English before? Have you ever been to a marathon? Have you ever cooked tacos at home? Have you ever spent more than 15 hours in your office? Have you ever walked on the Great Wall of China? Have you ever had an iPhone? Have you ever swum with dolphins? Have you ever lost your wallet? Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Thank you.